Good morning. Ghost is a little bit dirty this morning. Albert is inside cooking, getting ready for our family dinner here in a little while. And I am going to start loading the van and make sure we're ready. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. What's this? Salsa can fit right there. Easy. Gotta have trays. Without these, nothing would fit. All right, dinner is done and cleaned up. We had a nice time with family, and now it's time to go cozy up in the van. We're now headed to one of our favorite spots. We'll check in when we get there. Whoa. We've been on the road for a couple of hours, and now we are here at the beautiful Wilson Lake, a beautiful state park in Kansas. We're gonna have nice breakfast before we venture outside into the cold. Okay, what is this?
It's a Wonder Oven, aka Easy Bake.
Okay, good. I like the ticking and the ding noise. So cute. Perfect.
Well, just checking to see how much power I have left. With the Wonder Oven on and the heat and the vent fan running, we're using about 1,600 watts right now. And we're currently at 68% battery. Ow. Hot. I think they're done.
Well, the weather took a little bit of a turn. Was supposed to be in the 50s today. It's in the 30s, but with the wind chill, it's in the teens. So it's cold. We're planning on doing a little hike here at Wilson. I don't know if we brought enough gear for cold weather hiking. It's not what we were expecting. It is beautiful here though, and we'll hang out and enjoy our time. Maybe later, I don't know. It's still pretty early in the morning, so it might warm up a little bit, but these clouds are looking pretty ominous. I know tomorrow, it was supposed to rain tomorrow, but now I think it might snow tomorrow. So it's gotten cold. That's okay. We're gonna cozy up in our van and enjoy a few days of doing nothing. So it's like 5, I think, in the evening, but the wind finally died down. So it's cold, but it's not unbearable like it was before, like 30 and 40 mile per hour winds. So we decided to get out, stretch our legs, come check out this little trail here. There's so many deer here. They're so pretty. It's been a really nice, relaxing day. We've been reading, took a nap, had breakfast, watched football, just a quiet hangout, watched the deer and the lake. Really, really pretty day. With our base of operations being in Kansas, we have to do some Midwest van lifing, but there's plenty of beautiful places to explore and to have fun and to enjoy your van.